Hi everyone, today we will talk about polymorphism in object-oriented programming. If you have any query regarding basic classes, object, encapsulation and inheritance, you can visit the previous parts. Today we will define a method student info in both student and student marks classes with different behaviors. Basically, polymorphism means many forms. In Python loop, it allows objects of different classes to be treated as if they are of the same class if they share common behavior. Let's try it with code. Here we will define the method student info in both classes. So def student underscore info, then our telephone line, return. In student class we will give his information about his discipline. So good discipline. We will copy paste this same method in next class. Here we will add his marks. Let's say good in marks. Here we have object, let's say student marks. Here is student info. Here we will create the another object from first class student, so student discipline, our class student name Henry and his age let's say 19. Now print it. Print student marks dot student info. Here we have student discipline. Now if we print it, then here we have column. Now print it again, then it will give both good in marks and good in discipline. Now here both objects are using these same methods. Now this student marks object is from student marks class and this student discipline object from class student. So these both objects are from different classes and we are using the same method in these both objects. And in the first student class, it gives information about good in discipline, and the student marks class good in marks.